So the next topic is what? Liquid crystals. So a substance which flow like a liquid but have some order of arrangement. So we'll see what type of arrangement we are having in the next pictures. As liquid crystals. So when solid is going to convert into liquid, we are going to get an intermediate stage that is nothing but liquid crystal. Next, liquid crystals have a rod-like structures and disc-like structures. So can you see these arrangement? So this is the perfect arrangement which you have in a solid crystal. So the arrangement of molecules. In solid we have a particular order of arrangement in the solid crystal. Next we have a arrangement of molecules in liquid. The final step what we get in a liquid will be looking like this. Okay. If you compare the arrangement of molecules from the solid crystal to the liquid, listen carefully, I am not mentioning liquid crystal, it is liquid, the final stage. So how the arrangement is there? It is totally different. But when you come to the liquid crystal, it is somewhat similar to the solid and the liquid. So you have a particular direction and all the molecules are pointed towards the only one direction. Understood? This arrangement. So this is the first solid structure and this is the liquid and this is liquid crystals. Next. So see the characteristics of liquid crystals. They maintain orientational order. And the molecules in LCs. What do you mean by LCs now? Liquid crystals. Always point more in one direction. As I said, all the molecules will be pointing towards only one direction. But when you observe in the liquid, will all the molecules will be pointing to one direction? No, right? It is in different directions. But in LCs, what? Always point more at one direction. So that direction you will be calling it as a director. The direction you will be calling it as a director. Next. And LCs are anisotropic, and that means they exhibit different properties. What do you mean by anisotropic? They exhibit different properties in different directions or orientation. So each molecule will be exhibiting the different properties in its own directions. Next one. They show one type of refractive index along with the director axis and the other type of refractive index perpendicular to the direction of director axis. Next, this property of showing variable refractive indices, you will be calling it as what? By refrigerant character. And next, types of liquid crystals. So the liquid crystals are classified into two types. So the liquid crystals are classified into two types. One is thermotropic liquid crystal and plyotropic liquid crystal. So thermotropic liquid crystal is nothing but temperature dependent. So if you see this, in thermotropic LCs, the transition to the liquid crystalline state is temperature dependent. Next, so cholesterol benzoate is the example of thermotropic, and the next type is what? Pleiotropic. It is a concentration dependent. It is the concentration of dependent. Remember the micelles formation where we have come across this one? Emulsion polymerization. Emulsion polymerization technique. So the formation of micelles. When we are going to get a micelles? When we are going to form a micelles? After adding of Surf detergent. So the formation of micelles when detergent is added to water is an example for the formation of pleiotropic liquid crystals. And next you have the orientations, how the liquid crystal molecules are arranged. Based on those arrangement or orientations, these are again classified. So So one is nematic and cholesterol. Okay, we have three types.